Basilic Fly Studio's IPO of 68.4 lakh equity shares comprises a fresh issue of 62.4 lakh shares by the company and an offer for sale of 6 lakh shares by the promoters. Basilic Fly Studio, a visual effects studio, has decided to launch its maiden public issue on September 1st. The price band for the book-built issue will be announced in coming days, but the fundraising via IPO is expected to be in the range of 65 rupees 70 crore. The public issue of 68.4 lakh equity shares, which is 29.43% of post-issue paid-up equity, comprises a fresh issue of 62.4 lakh shares by the company and an offer for sale of 6 lakh shares by the promoters. Promoters Balakrishnan and Yogalakshmi S., who hold 85.40% shareholding in the company, will be offloading 3 lakh equity shares each via OFS. Public shareholders Umesh Chamdia and Aparna Sameer Thakkar hold 6.65% stake each in the company. While the bidding will be open for a day for anchor investors on August 31st, the offer will close on September 5th. Of the total issue, 10.26 lakh shares are reserved for the market maker. Hence, the net issue would be of 58.14 lakh equity shares. The Chennai headquartered visual effects studio will utilize net fresh issue proceeds for setup of studio or facility at Hyderabad and Salem with amount up to 21.36 crore rupees, and add infrastructure to further strengthen the existing facilities or offices at Chennai and Pune at a cost of 19.6 crore rupees. Apart from visual effects (VFX) studio at Chennai, Basilic Fly Studio also operates in Canada and UK via subsidiaries which specialize in creating visual experiences. It has executed several projects in movies in the past including Top Gun, Maverick, The Whale, Spider-Man, No Way Home, Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings, Avengers, Endgame, Mary Poppins Returns, and Alita, Battle Angel. Basilic Fly Studio has recorded profit at 26.44 crore rupees for the year ended March 2023, significantly higher compared to 0.79 crore rupees in previous year. In the same period, revenue from operations surged to 70.2 crore rupees, from 23.87 crore rupees. The company will list its equity shares on the emerge platform of the NSE.